versus Ronald Raeigen, ticket number P1247712. Count one, improper plates. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good afternoon or morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with the turn.
Devin Reese.
Thank you. Not true. It's not your turn yet, Mr. Reese.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Raeigen, would you state your name for the record, please?
Ronald Raeigen.
Thank you, sir. The defendant is going to plead guilty here and now to the recommendation, Your Honor. We would stipulate the probable cause as to the matter being dismissed. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Raeigen, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Boffman today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value
No.
in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to September 12th, 2021 at approximately 3:59 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Southfield Road and Nichols in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving 2013 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
You have improper plates?
Yes.
You satisfied with the fact basis?
Yes, I am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so that's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by July 21st if you need more time?
Yes, I can have it paid by July 21st.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
You are all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. This is the people versus Patrick Rump. Ticket number SP111985 count one, fails to display valid operator's license without on person. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Boffman.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Patrick Rump.
Thank you. The defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings or trials and plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Rump, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Boffman today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 10, 2020 at approximately 3:56 p.m. on a date and time were you at or near the location of Joy Road and Grace, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
You failed to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person.
Yes.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Boffman?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by July 21st or do you need more time?
Yes.
Do you need more time or?
No, I can have it paid by July 21st.
Okay. Any questions?
No.
You are all set, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. This is the people versus Ronald Dowdell. Ticket number SP116319 count one, drove while license not valid or improper. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 996-437, count one, drove while license not valid or improper. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1020253, count one, drove while license not valid or improper. And ticket number 207-09399, count one, drove while license not valid or improper. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Baughman.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record. You're on mute.
Ronald Dowdell.
Mr. Dowdell, why don't you turn your video off, because your connection's not that strong, so turn off your video.
Your Honor, our pleasure at this time would be to waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint. Stand mute and ask for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please, and thank you.
Mr. Dowdell, can you raise your right hand? Just let me know when it's, okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? You can turn your video off, because I think it's slowing your connection down.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or
Yes, Your
promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial on July 29th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, you're all set.
Thank you.
This is the only notice you'll get, so just zoom in on that date.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Ronald Raeigen.
Call that case, Your Honor.
I did.
Yes.
Ronald Raeigen?
Yes, we did it, Your Honor. He stepped, you called case
Oh,
number
I
one.
did, you're right. These must be duplicates.
Okay.
Together, just.
Okay.
I'll separate.
Yeah, okay. You're right, I did. Yeah, these are duplicates, okay. Thank you. Okay, this is the people versus Devin Reese.
We're ready.
Ticket number SP 1189912, count one, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 551730, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. And ticket number SP 742356, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. Afternoon, morning, I'm rushing today. Please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir,
Devin
state your name.
Reese,
Your full
Devin
name.
Reese, Devin K. DeJohn Reese.
Thank you, sir. We are going to waive any rights to any further hearings today. We're gonna plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation now part of the court file.
All right, Mr. Reese, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth? and nothing but the truth?
Your Honor, we lost him.
All right. We'll record his, hopefully he'll come back. We have to Kim Robinson, is she around?
Thank you.
This is the people versus Lisa DeJohn, ticket number P1221881, count one, unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, unmute your microphone, state your name for the record.
Ms.
Yeah, you're
DeJohn,
on mute.
look on the bottom left-hand corner.
There we go. Lisa Elizabeth D. John.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the date and time for trial in this matter. Without a complaining witness, we would ask you to consider a motion here to dismiss without prejudice in favor of the defendant. Thank you.
Matter was set for trial at 8:35. It's now 11 o'clock. The officer has appeared, so the court will dismiss this without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. DeJohn. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
We'll try you again, Mr. Reed.
Yes, I'm sorry. I went to press unmute and I don't know what happened.
All right. So this is the people versus Devon Reese, ticket number SP 1189912, count one, no operator's license on person. There's also count two, but that's in default violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Ticket number SP 551730, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 742356, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number U384711317, count one, violation of city marijuana code. That's it. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Devin K. DeJohn Reese.
Thank you. He knows he has a right to a trial. He's gonna waive that here today to plead guilty, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Reese, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Bachman today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 22nd, 2021 at 7:29 p.m. On that date and time, are you at or near the location of Chicago and Coyle Street, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Be driving a 2004 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have an operator's license on your person?
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Bachman?
Yes, I'm satisfied. Thank you.
All right, the court is also satisfied. Will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by July 21st?
Can you repeat the price again? I'm sorry, I cannot hear you, Judge.
Can you have it paid by July 21st? 200, or do you need?
Yes,
more
I
time?
no, I can have that paid.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
set. You're welcome. You're all set, Mr. Reed. All right, this is the people versus Lamila Duhart, ticket number P1223913. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, improper plates. Count three, driving registered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1223914. That's in default, actually. Count one, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Jamila Duhart.
Thank you. Ms. Duhart and I have discussed her rights. She knows she has a right to a trial as well as those rights attendant in trial that she's gonna waive here and now, Your Honor, in order to plead guilty. There's a recommendation and we're gonna stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed pursuant to that. Thank you.
Art,
Yes, ma'am.
do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
If you can put your hand down, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Bachman today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 8th, 2021 at approximately 6:03 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Rutherford, Chicago, and the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Driving a 2003 Pontiac vehicle?
yes,
And what, did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
yes. My partner for 17 years had to play on the car, and he recently just passed away. And I was trying to see if the car was running good, and I got stopped.
Okay. There's also to plead to stipulate to the plea responsible for the civil infraction. So.
Stipulate to the complaint. On the face of the complaint, we would stipulate to those facts for the purpose of the plea here, or the responsible plea on the no insurance infraction. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will accept the admission. Will you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed?
I do stipulate the probable cause, and I am satisfied with the factual basis here as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll proceed to the remaining counts to be dismissed without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $195. Can you have that paid by July 7th?
No, ma'am, I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I
What
don't
about
get this.
July 4th? What about July 14th? Because otherwise it's gonna go into default. You wanna do community service instead?
Yes, if I can, it's something in my area. Cause how much is work, and I don't have reliable transportation.
So in order to do the community service, you do have to return to show proof of compliance. So
Mhm.
it's I'm gonna order you 20 hours of community service,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you need to come. You're not working, correct?
No, I'm disabled. I'm on disability.
Okay. You can. I'll give you a month to come back. Come back on July 21st. You have a pen and paper?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, want you to write this phone number down. And they'll find something to accommodate you. 313
Okay.
965 8130.
8130.
Yes, and it's Miss Green you're gonna speak to set up your community service. just let her know, your disability, and she'll find something to accommodate.
Okay,
Okay, did you have any other questions? But, you need to come back July 21st at 8:35 to show proof that you complied and did the community service.
okay. All right,
Okay.
this is July 21st. Miss Green, community service. I got it out. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, and then we have Anthony Roberts.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony Roberts, ticket number P1246796, count 1.
Mr.
drove
Bachman,
while
while cooking on,
valid or proper
Ah, Judge, I didn't, Judge,
You're all set. I'll remove you. People versus Anthony Roberts, ticket number P1246796, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, count 2, no insurance, ticket number P1246565, count 1, expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Goffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry.
Good morning.
Boston
How you
for
doing?
the defendant. State your name, Mr. Roberts, your full name, please.
My name is Anthony Roberts. How you doing?
Good morning, sir. Your Honor, this is a matter set for show cause, so we'll waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute for that purpose and ask that the matter be set for a pretrial. Please and thank you.
All right,
And I would indicate after a conversation with the defendant on information and belief, I believe he can and will be able to return with his valid driver's license.
all right, so we'll come back on July 6th at 8:35.
Thank you.
Okay.
Any questions?
Mr.
No,
Roberts,
ma'am.
if you get a chance and you can, and I believe it is your purpose to get a vehicle, make sure you get insurance, you bring proof of that in, as well as your valid driver's license. They'll treat you real nice next time, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
So, you still need to get, more
And I'll-
info on, I think you need some ROAs on.
So I did send by way of chat those case numbers. I'm not sure if Mr. Ratliff received those.
Who we dealing with?
Richard.